Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be doing an honest review of a new video hosting platform called Viddle. But before we go ahead and do that, I just want to let you know that here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash that like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Okay guys, let's go and check it out. Okay, here we are at the Viddle sales page. I'm just going to quickly go through this a little bit and then we'll go through the actual software itself. Now, at first when I've had a look at this, I was kind of a bit skeptical because I've had other video hosting platforms where it's a one-time payment and it was slow and clunky. It wasn't easy to use, and it was one of those sites that was kind of, you know, hit and miss when it came to whether or not your video would actually work or not. And it was also loaded with things like, you know, logos and all that kind of stuff. It was pretty horrible. And as you can see, there is a countdown there, and so what you can do is from the link down below, if you decide to get this, you can get it from that. Anyhow, this is from, yeah, it seemed like at first a pretty good idea, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to have a look at it and check it out. So I went down to the bottom and had a look at all. You know, I was just looking through the website. I was having a look at some of the features. Now, one of the things you can do with this, if you wish to, is you can actually do a screen recording, which is pretty cool. And it's a 750p screen recording, so it's not ultra high definition, but it's really good enough for YouTube and also good enough for this website. So, you know, it's not too bad. I had a look at that as well today. And we go through and you can have a look at this and you can have a good look at what's going on. Now, the best part about it is a one-time payment. Now, you can either go the personal one or you can go the agency one. Now, the best part about the agency one is you can actually charge people, if up to, I think it's 100 people, 100 clients, if you want people to be able to host their video site on your site. It's a one-time payment, and that means you've got a little business of your own on the side. Now you can also scroll down. Let's go have a look here. I'm going to click on that and go all the way down to the bottom to have a look at the pricing. Now the personal one is a one-time payment of $47.40, and you can scroll down, and as you have a look down here, you can see it's missing quite a few things. You can't add a call to action. You can't monetize your channel. You can't, in other words, you can't do agencies or anything like that. You can't sell your hosting to anyone, and so forth. But you do get a six-figure bonus as, yes, bonus making six figures with Viddle worth not $497. You do get that, which is good. Okay, but over here you get for $69, and also you get $2 off if you use the one agency. If you use the code agency, you just copy that into the purchase section, you'll get that for $67. Okay, so what do you get on this? You get absolutely everything. You get video creation, hosting management, you get full agency access, high-speed hosting for up to 200 videos. Then you get import videos from YouTube, Vimeo, and no API needed. You get screencast video recordings with screen audio, camera recording, picture-to-picture recording, webcam video recording, 300 gigabytes storage space, 500 gigabytes bandwidth, 30 video playlists, 30 video channels, creating and editing time codes, video subtitles, drag and drop, and the list goes on. Now, let's actually stop that right now and go across and have a look at the actual website. Now, here we are actually at Viddle, and I've got a couple of videos uploaded. This one was a screen capture one that I just did 18 minutes ago. As you can see, it was just done. This is one I did last night, 13 hours ago. So this is one of the ones I actually uploaded yesterday on YouTube. I thought I'll just give it a go, see what it's like. Now, it did seem to have a few issues at first. Now, the few issues I didn't realize about at first was unlike YouTube, YouTube will allow you, once it's finished downloading, it will allow you to watch the video. This, on the other hand, will, because I mean, what it'll do in the background is it'll just improve the quality as it goes along. I mean, it'll download the video and then the quality will get better and better as you go along, on YouTube that is. Unfortunately, with Viddle, as it might do the 100% upload, but it does have a little bit of a lag time between the time you've uploaded it to the time you can actually watch the video and have it hosted on your website. Now, to upload it, it's very similar to YouTube. You go to here to add new, you click on that. Now you've got here your upload video, you can import a video if you wish to, you can record your screen, or you can record your camera. But in this particular case, I think we'll upload a video. I'm going to go here, click on that, and I'm going to select from a disk. So I'm going to go over here to my D drive, go here, and I'm going to just choose any one of these videos. It doesn't matter which one. I'll just choose this one, I think. I'll grab this one and add this one. Now, it will take a little while. I think that's a fairly big video, and what I'll do is I'll pause the video until it has finished uploading, and once it's finished uploading, we'll come back and we'll time how long it takes. It's currently 4:08 p.m. in the afternoon, so it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon, 8 minutes past 4. So we'll wait for this to finish and we'll see how long it actually takes before it's playable on Viddle. We'll have a look at that in a moment. Okay, let's pause the video now. Alright, now before we go ahead and see how long this takes, it's currently 4:11, so it took a couple of minutes to upload, which was pretty good. Let me just show you what we have here. You also got here where you can add descriptions if you wish to. You can also add your tags, like your video tags, like you would if you were uploading on YouTube. You can allow the original video file to be downloaded if you wish to. Now I'm going to just save it as it is, and you can also change the color of your theme if you wish to. So I'm just going to go save, and let's have a look and see if this is playable. I'm going to click on this one here. We'll use that as the thumbnail. We'll go over here to videos, see if it's ready yet. Okay, it looks like it might be ready. Well, let's just click that and we'll see if it's ready. No, not yet. Okay, so I'll pause the video again and we'll see whether or not how long it takes. Alright, so what we're going to be looking at right here, it's still uploading. It's still improving the quality. Once it reaches full quality, which should be high, 108 high definition, once it's finished doing that and it's ready to go, oh, look at that. It's still looking like it may not be too far away. Oh, there we go. It's ready. Alright, pause the video for 1 second. It's now 4:18 p.m. Okay, so that's how long it took to do it. So about 7 or 8 minutes. So it's not too bad. And it's a 13-minute video. So, and it took about 7 or 8 minutes to upload. So that's not a bad. It's not really that bad. So, I'd probably put that at about 8 out of 10 when it comes to this area. So let's go back for a little bit. Okay, now let's have a look at some of the options you have here. Now let's say, for example, you decide that you want to go to the agency and you want to create a new user. All you have to do is go here, click on this. You can put their name in there, their first name, their last name, their email address, and their password, and they can create an account. You can then email them the account details if they come in manually and they request to be used on your platform, or you have a website or whatever you choose to do, and you can physically manually place it in there yourself. Or I would suggest that would be the way to do it, where you manually add them to the account. You can also manage users over here if you wish to, where you can have a look at who all the users are and so forth. and you can also have a look at the support, and you also have a look at their tutorials. They have quite a few good tutorials here. How to use Viddle, Viddle agency, your one-time offers, and so forth. And you can go through and have a look at all the things they have on offer here. So to be perfectly honest, this is actually a pretty cool and a pretty fast little program. Now, how do you find the embed code? Because you'll probably want to embed it somewhere at some point. So let's have a look here. We click on that. To find your embed code, you go here. No, not that one.
Hey guys.
Scroll down. Sorry, let's pause that for 1 second. Is it on this one? Read more. Nope. Okay. Share. You go to share. Okay, and then you got the embed code. So it's a little bit hard to see, but right here is the share button. You click on that, and then you got your embed code just here. Or you can do a direct link. You can share it on social media, and you can also do the BB code. And you can also start it before or after, and you also have the ability to put a call to action at the end of the video or anywhere through the video if you wish to. Say for example you have a squeeze page you want to put it into, you can do that as well. Alright, so let's have a quick look at the call to action section in Viddle. We're just going to choose this particular video here. I'm going to click on that. Wait for it to finish. As you can see, you can customize it to whatever color you like. And in my case, I'm making it orange. But let's go down here. And what you need to do is in this section here where it says edit, you click on that. And we can scroll down. Now, as you scroll down through here, you can actually go down. You can see where you got your tags and you got your people, you know, media personality, whatever. Start date, and much like what you would do if you were uploading onto YouTube. You can also pin comments and so forth if you want to. I would always suggest that you allow embed at this particular point in time, primarily because it's hard to actually get the embed code if you don't initially allow anyone to embed, and that includes yourself. So allow users to comment on the video. You can set channel teaser if you wish to, but down here you can add things like subtitles. You can do time codes or timestamps like what they do on YouTube, and you would have seen me do that with a lot of my videos over the period of time. And here is the one I want to show you, the call to action. So you click on that, and this is where you can say, hey, if you want more information, click here, and then you can send them to a particular URL, for example to a squeeze page or something along those lines, or a sales page. And then you can do, you know, a place where you want it to go. It can be in the upper right hand corner, or it can be down in the upper left, or down right, or lower right, your lower left, or you can put it directly in the middle. And you can also choose when to put it there. You can choose to have it either in the middle, or in the end, or at the beginning. Now you can also choose what color you have your text, all depending on how you want to set it up. And then you can hit save changes, and it will then be embedded into this. And when you go use your embed code, it will automatically go straight into whatever site you choose to put it into. You can also autoplay it, which is something you can do on all platforms, including, I'll turn it off for 1 second. You can do that on all platforms, including your mobile device, which is pretty cool. And there it is down there. I was wondering where it was coming from. You can also mute the background playback if you wish to. You can autoplay it. But you really, if you're going to be doing it on Chrome, it really does need to be muted. Otherwise, they'll just not let you do it. But yeah, you can use your controls here. Say for example you want to do player controls, you can remove that. All it does is it plays the video without any controls. You can allow text menu, do that, and it removes, where is it, this one, Autoplay, show video title on the author if you wish to, and I don't really wish to. So you go there, and you have that as well. So you can do all sorts of funky things with this. You can notice that it's it'll actually be, once I unmute it, you can choose the color of the theme you wish to, and so forth. There's a lot of things you can do here, so we just click on that. So as you can see up here, let's go back to my videos. Up here I chose orange, but you can choose that to be any color you want by going down here and choosing the different colors, and whatever one you choose is the one it'll come up to. So if you want to do pink or purple, whatever that is, and you got the grey, and you got your orange. So you got all these ones here. It's a very good program, a little bit of learning to learn your way around it, but like everything has a little bit of a learning curve, and if you're not afraid to learn new things, then this will be probably worth having a look at. So out of 10, how would I rate this? Well, to be perfectly honest, if you can live with the time it takes to upload onto the platform, so if you're prepared to wait a few minutes, 5-10 minutes, whatever it's going to take to be fully uploaded onto the platform, then I would probably rate this probably a 9 out of 10. Because the best part about this is you can put it on things like membership sites, and people have no way of getting onto that platform to go, okay, where do I find this so I can get the free information? So if you're a membership site or something like that, you can safely embed this onto a website somewhere, WordPress website or wherever you happen to have it. And even if they do manage to look at the code, they aren't going to be able to get access if you make it private, and it only allow it on your particular website. And this way it makes it very specific to you, and no one else can actually watch it elsewhere. And this way it becomes specifically your content, and it's not shared all the way around the web where other people can just grab hold of it. Or if you wish to, you can turn this into like a YouTube style as well, and have other people share it, and they can share their information. They can have other people watch their videos if you wish to do it that way as well. I personally would prefer to use it as my videos for just my membership site, and this way I can dictate where the content goes to. If I wanted something to be public, I'll just upload it onto YouTube. But if I'm wanting to have something that I'm wanting for a membership site, then it is specifically going to go on this one, because it doesn't have to be shared across the web. Alright guys, that's all it is for this particular video. Now if you like this particular piece of software, the video link will be down below, and I would suggest have a look at it. Use the one where it says agency, and you can get $2 off. So it can be $67 for the agency license, or $47. What was that again? $47.40 if you choose to go your personal one. Either way, but I think for an extra $20, you'd be crazy not to go for the agency, because you get so much more with it. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not share and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye for now.